Hello Pixie friends and my silver sisters. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie-Jessica. I talk a lot about pixie hair care in general. Sometimes I open things I've spent too much money on. If those things sound like they're interesting to you, hit that subscribe button and hang out with me. So this is my day 3 pixie hair, and this is how I sleep with my hair. I stumbled on this on accident. I use an alligator clip to pin my hair up and away when I do my skincare routine, and I left it in overnight and then found that it's actually a great way to keep my hair going up. So today I am going to refresh this day 3 hair before I leave the house with the Big Sexy Hair powder play, as well as the Big Fun razor. I have a mirror just out of here. One of the things that I really love about this hair is just how easy it is to style and maintain it. I am going to get a haircut today. Where I live, hair salons are still open. It's the one outing that I do in person, so I leave my house about once every 5 weeks. But you know, if things get worse and they close, then my kids are really super excited because I've told them that they each get to take a turn cutting mom's hair. So I am going to take a little bit of this powder play. I really love this. I've used it a couple times. The only thing I have a hard time with is if I have my glasses on when I use it, I'm like concerned I'm going to dump it on my glasses. But if I don't have my glasses on, I can't see very well. So I just part my hair because I'm only really trying to get this at the root. So I just kind of pull my hair apart in sections and just put a little bit of this powder. And I really concentrate it along the side and the front where I'm really looking for the most volume. All right, now that I have that in, I'm just gonna bring my fingers in and just kind of get that distributed. And as you can see, this gives you a ton of volume. And you can for sure use this if you don't have a pixie. This isn't like a pixie specific type of product. If you have big tousled waves and you're looking for some extra volume, put some of this at your fingertips and just work it in towards your root. You do want to get it closest to your root for the most lift, obviously, but it's a dream. So now I'm just going to kind of make sure things are going in the right direction. And I'm going to run my fingers through this back part just to, again, kind of get things going where I want them to. One thing I do love about this hairstyle is there really isn't going to be a wrong way to do it. If it were to fall flat, that's fine too. If it goes to the side, I'll make that work. It's just super fun to have this unpredictable big volume. So now that we have things relatively where we want them, one thing that I really like about this Big Sexy Fun razor is it's really flexible, but it gives you a lot of hold. I would say this gives as much hold as a hairspray, but still gives you some flexible working range like the Kevin Murphy touchable or bedroom spray wax does. So it's kind of this great in between where it's like a hairspray, but you still have some movement. I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot. So I just kind of like to section things a little bit to give it more of a lived in, weathered look. All right, so let me give you a 360 of what this refreshed day 3 Pixie Pompadour Faux Hawk style looks like. So that is it for me today. I just wanted to give you a really quick peek at how fast it is to refresh and get multiple days out of this fun Pixie Pompadour Faux Hawk. I don't really know what this is, but what I have going on in my head. If you are interested in trying some of these sexy hair products, I will put a link in the description box below. I would say that these were sent to me as a gift. I didn't purchase them myself, but I'm in no way obligated to say anything specific about the products. So I enjoy them. I like them a lot. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you have not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so that you know when I create new content. I like to post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but you know, life happens. If you would like to hang out with me outside of that Tuesday and Thursday window, you can find me on Instagram, you can find me on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Pinterest. Also, if you would please give this video a like and drop a comment. Believe it or not, those things greatly help my channel. Let me know, have you tried sexy hair? They do have several lines and some of them I have not tried yet. So if you have a favorite sexy hair product, I would love to know what it is. All right, guys, hope you are having a good day, and until I see you again, bye.